with Wi-Fi. You create virtual SSIDs, and each SSID now you can create very unique user experiences, right? So there's the public Wi-Fi user experience if you attach to public Wi-Fi. For a business owner, it's a new category of service where business owners can have a managed Wi-Fi service provided by the cable Wi-Fi operator, which gives a very media-rich business UI. So Joe the pizza shop now who already has a relationship, with this broadband cable operator, can get this new service because Joe the pizza guy is zero IT. He doesn't know anything about .1 addresses. I think Google said it yesterday, right? If you say 192.168.1.1, you lost 99% of people. So this is a new revenue opportunities for a lot of cable operators leveraging their Wi-Fi network to create these new service categories. Same thing on the extreme right. It's actually a brand new class of residential service, right? So the unresidential experience has not changed in 20 years, right? That old link style, web portal, and compare that to this very rich dashboard-like UI for home users, where a mom or a dad, who's the CIO of the home, they can actually point and click, create users, put policies. If Sarah's supposed to do homework from 5 to 7, it should be very simple as policy enablement for that. So where is it all going? I think that's the cool part. If you connect the dots, where everything that's going with this disruption and the stuff we talked about this morning, Uberization that Francis talked about, is the next decade of networking, and I'm saying not wireline, not wireless, it's going to be just networking. If you take the constructs like open programmable, disaggregation of hardware and software, I think that's happening at a very rapid pace. We have already seen it in the data centers. And all that leads to truly automation of everything, right? And that's to lower the OpEx, you have to automate everything. So how are we actually making it happen? So one of the ways to look at this is when you see a device like this, there are two perspectives of looking at this. There's a traditional network-centric perspective, right? This is how we all operate today. When somebody sees that, he sees a specialized networking equipment. And well, to operate it, I need a special CLI or a UI provided by my vendor. Or someone to manage it, I need some SNMP, TR69-based packet. And then obviously, by the way, I have to be certified by a large networking company that runs a network university, right? Some CC, something to operate this thing. However, there's a new view emerging, which is the sysadmin view, right? If you look at the sysadmin's perspective, he takes a look at this, and says, it's just another Linux server with a virus innocence. Now, these two perspectives are different, but the bottom one, where the world is going to, it has very deep ramifications. Because once you start looking at these devices, right, and mini Linux servers, things change.